if you knew Willing Street. When I was a kid, you'd throw down your soul right now at the beauty of the memory, at the impression that the thought of that grace would leave in this world.
The magic times, powerful Funky Town myth. I say your name as I lay to sleep tonight.
In your name, we carve our names all through our streets.
Protect me, sweet myth. Sweet songs from my streets. One soul, one time.
If you knew Willing Street, she would say bring on anything. Bring on everything.
On this night, I breathe fire.
On this night, I am Tornado.
I am Shooting Star.
I am Endless Rain.
On this beaten down night, on this beaten down street, heaven help us.
I don't want my heroes to fall anymore. I want them to exist in flesh and blood.
Beating heart, blinking eyes, aching smile.
One more time, I return to gold.
Not now, Mother. I'm trying to get it to school. How can you be hungry? I just gave you an entire pound of bacon an hour ago. If you eat now, there won't be enough food for later. Grandpa's check is late again. Oh, all right, just shut up! Love you, Mom.
You know Vicky?
I know a lot of Vickies.
Vicky Solano.
I know her. I have her for English, Mrs. Cavinder.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Kissed her behind the field house during lunch.
I wondered where you were.
Yeah, I got to second base.
Oh my God, you give me like the best laughs ever. Okay, dude, I know you're lying.
Okay, I'm lying.
This is really funny, you know, because it makes me stop laughing. I know you didn't kiss her at dark.
I thought about it and thought it out.
Oh, big deal, because you know why? You always do that!
Yeah, whatever. Hey, dude, think your dad will take some movies tomorrow?
Maybe, what's playing?
The Warriors.
The Warriors. They're not gonna let us into the Warriors.
Bro, we'll just sneak in like when we saw John. Dunna.
Okay. And what if we get caught? Dunno.
We're not gonna get caught. You worry so much.
I worry to get
Caught. Oh, yeah?
Nope. Nope. You kidding me? You gonna throw and I'm... What? What?
Oh,
We're just
yeah?
gonna wait till the bell because you know we're supposed to be dusting erasers. Oh, you gonna catch it? Oh! You could have hit somebody.
Ha! Saved by the bell.
What's up, yo? She came floating down with the darkest eyes. was like everything just shifted. Just slow motion. A moment out of our time, long lost in. Hair pulled back, dressed almost all in black. She smiled at me. Not with her mouth, but with her mind. She smiled at me with her thoughts. Only like she whispered the words.
Hello.
For only me to hear, only I didn't hear them. No. It was the strangest thing I've ever experienced in all of my 14 years.
Did you see that girl?
I sure did.
It almost seemed like she was floating.
Kind of.
Hey, Bobby,
No.
are you scared?
No. No, I'm not.
Hello? Is anyone in there? Yes. Hi, it's Rosie, you know, from Mr. Ives' class. What do you want? Well, you missed a few days, and Mr. Ives said he didn't want anyone falling behind, so I have your homework. Can I come in? It's cold out here. I don't mean to just barge into your life like this, but, well, I know you're new here and don't know too many people yet. So, well, I thought nobody else would read it. You didn't have to. That's okay. I wanted to. Why? I just told you. I mean, why do you care if I get my homework or not? Well, I would hope someone would do it for me. Have you ever had a dream about someone that you've never met and then found out that they were real? What was that? Nothing, Jess. No, there was something. It's just the sound of an old house. Sarah, there's something back there. Maybe you better just go. Sarah, maybe a cat crawled through a window or something. Just go. Sarah, I think we should go and look. It's my mother. What? She's sick. Should we help her? No. Sarah. There's nothing we can do. Nothing. I've tried everything. She can't be helped. I'm so sorry. Don't be. I can't go. Rosie? Please don't tell anybody about this. If they knew how sick she was, what she is, they'd take her away. They'd take me away. That's not what she wants. I just... I promise I won't tell anyone.
It's no shame that love's a game that I can only play with you. What I'm saying is I'm here waiting for you. I've seen the light, I'm satisfied that brightest side.
You guys have plans?
Sometimes.
That's weird.
We know.
Kind of.
No, it's not. It's just different. We're different. Not like anything around. Let us paint your face and take all the pain away. You should come with us. I'm telling you. This world you live in, it's just not me.
No, this is my world. I have to live.
No. Don't. Don't you understand? Never leave anything up to me. Make your own destiny. Time, chance, all yours. The universe doesn't always know what it's doing.
I do.
Not always.
Just like it's always been.
Not really. My kind. People like me. We've always been pulling strings.
Changing time and history. Just enough.
Adding a little blue to the sky.
Oh Lord, the wind.
A little silver in the perfect Southside moon.
If you weren't born here, you might not know this, but Fort Worth has always been a place where mystery lives, where time bends and stories roam and crawl through the night and unite and defy the logic of this earth. Where creatures like the Lake Worth Monster and the Goat Man reside and thrive. Robert's Cough over near Burgers Lake, where haunt the ghosts of 1930s and 40s gangsters. Ever wonder why the old big one building the Tornado killed was home to the largest FBI office in the Southwest? And no one even knew it was there? The three little girls that disappeared on Seminary South Boulevard, just south of here, off of Fifth Road. Carswell, the Air Force Base. It's supposed to be closed. It doesn't look closed. It's where the Roswell aliens ended up. Strange forces all over our town.
Hey, you okay? Yeah, I just got lost trying to make it to school. No breakfast, kind of dizzy. Gotta go. Bye.
Well, hey, listen, I gotta talk to you.
Why?
You were in my dream last night. Hey, will you wait? I don't know what it was exactly, but it was like you were being pulled out to sea, or in deep space, or in quicksand. I don't know, but all I know is that I saved you.
What did you have for dinner last night?
What?
Before bed, what did you eat?
A burger?
With pickles and mustard?
Yeah.
There you go. Pickles and mustard can cause all kind of losing sickness.
No.
Yeah, you eat pickles and mustard before you go to bed. 9 out of 7 times you can control your dreams. Bye.
No! I think this meant that we were supposed to be friends.
Hey, y'all know Vicky?
A lot of Vickies.
Solano.
No her.
Yeah, things are getting pretty heavy between us. Hey, Bobby, where are you going, man?
Hey, freaks, school's this way.
Go, Bobby, slow down.
Huh?
Hey, Bobby, you feeling alright? You feel like keying out or something?
No, I just heard something.
Heard something.
It's that house over there. It's that house.
That house? Never noticed it till now.
Me neither, Joanna.
That house. Right there. Well, I can tell you a few things about that house.
What kind of things?
Terrible things. Horrifying things.
What do you know? You don't know anything, do you?
This is right.
Tell me.
Nah, you're still a little too young. Bobby, come on. Cops would bless me for contributing to the delinquency of a child if I told you my story. Y'all be having nightmares, peeing in your mommies and daddies' beds.
I pee my own bed. You know what I mean?
No, dude. I don't.
I mean, I can take your stories.
Wait a minute. You guys promise you're not going to try to get me in trouble. You know, my dad was a cop, so that kind of makes me a cop too, you know? So this is all just the name of an investigation. You know, because being investigating is like birthright, you know? I'm just protecting regular people like you.
We get it. Don't we, Bubs?
Get him.
We get it, don't we, Bubs?
Sure.
Okay. Willing gang swear.
Haven't heard that one since we were kids.
Bobby, you do it. Okay, so a few nights ago, Sheila stole her mom's Malibu and we went cruising around, stealing cats. We didn't hurt him or anything. We just wanted to see how many cats we could get. You know. Looked over it and there was just no cats anywhere in sight. And just this lady comes out, long black hair and looks kind of like Elvira.
Elvira? Mistress of the Dark?
Exactly. And so she starts spinning around, speaking some crazy language, and then there's just, it's all crazy back there.
How crazy?
Like heads on sticks with, Bobby, come on. Come on, Bobby. With eyeballs spinning around, 3-headed dogs sniffing all over the place, 8-headed snakes slithering around.
No way.
Yes way. And get this. Okay, so this lady, her eyes just turn like fire. You know, Bobby, are you okay there? You okay there, Bobby? Anyway, come over here. And so like we were over there, right? And then these big 3-headed dogs, like this fire starts shooting out of the ground. The 3-headed dogs sow at the moon, and then this lady turns into the white dog, and then she and the other dogs they ran off into the night.
No way.
Yes way, and if I'm lying, may God strike me down.
It's true.
Heck yes.
Hey, Robbie, I think I'm gonna go home. No, wait, don't want to be alone. I think I'll go to Papa or Seminary South.
Watch out, 3-headed dog!
No, please! Ah! Oh, dude, I think I cracked my drawers.
Hey, Bobby, don't go over there, man.
Hey, I never thought I was to Ramona, but don't go over there.
Yeah, man, those witches are gonna take your soul.
Grab him! Sucker's been eating his Wheaties.
It's the will of the witches! They want Bobby's soul! Gotta stop this!
Let's do that!
Those witches are trying to claim your soul, man.
What? Get off me!
No.
What did you do? No. You're out of your mind. No, we were walking and talking, and you were talking about how things are getting hot, heavy, with you and Vicky.
Heavy. It's a good place to be.
Maybe we should go. Let's go.
Hey, look, we should get to school. I mean, we don't want to be late for Miss Bradley's class.
Well, now you want to go to school. It's this way. Where's Al? Al! It's this way, you freak!
Sorry.
Always want to be late. It's your freaking fault. We're always late.
I know this time. It's the lamest time of the day. Nothing worse than being the noob this week.
Happened to you when you were in spring sprightly?
What do you mean? It's happening to me right now. Do you not see that teacher's table? Is that not the least bit sweet?
Sure does.
Look at that Mrs. Malton. Tear into that breaded cutlet. Looks like she's ready to eat us alive. Miss Ainsworth. How she's so in control of the table. And Mr. Ives. Well, he's so cute.
Go sit next to him. There's an empty seat.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Looks like that is a conversation. Wait, no, look. Looks like he's in dire need of rescue.
That Miss Ainsworth would hate me. Alright, wish me luck. See you in art, kiddo.
Good luck.
Hey!
I'm sorry, I can't talk right
Your
now.
name's Sarah, right?
I gotta go.
How do I know this? We've never met in this life, have we?
Maybe you've heard it around school.
Sarah Sorrento?
Like I said,
You used to have a dog named Missy. Her name, she was, you used to have a dog named Missy. It was 8. It ran away when you were 8, and it never came back to broke your heart. Your grandpa used to drive an old red Chevy and had red seats, and your mother, well, she
Hey, stop! Just stop!
How do I know this? Do you know anything about me?
Mommy, I just don't know.
My dog, tell me his name.
I gotta go.
My address?
His name
Please?
His name was Sunshine. 823 Woodlake Street. Leave me alone!
Sarah, wait! How do I know this? Tell me.
What's up, stalker?
Hey, man, she doesn't want your number. She doesn't want your number. But Mara.
Ain't that the truth?
But hey, seriously, Bob. You all right, man? You've been acting all weird.
Yeah. Good.
Well, lunch is almost over. I'm gonna go meet up with Vicky.
Saw her making out with Oscar Sanchez behind the field house.
Wait, what? Oscar Sanchez? Vicky!
Hey, you alright, bro?
Yeah.
Hey, Bob, that Sarah chick, there's something weird about her. Wouldn't get too close.
I swear I had a banana on this plate. Who stole my banana?
What are you guys?
Haven't you ever seen clowns before?
Where'd y'all come from?
Someplace close. Someplace far.
Short time, fine time,
Infinite time.
the place where dreams live.
The place where they die.
Wow.
We come from a very special circus.
Circus, I've never been to a circus.
Randy, get your butt in the house!
Who was that?
My dad,
Why is he screaming at you?
because he's a drunk.
Why?
Because he drinks, then he gets another comes from like 5 years ago, he looks for me, and then he hits me.
That's terrible.
Just gotta wait till he falls asleep. Well, that's why I lose my. Then I can go home, sleep, and then get to school before he wakes up.
Come with us.
Where?
With the circus.
Let's leave.
Really?
We wouldn't lie.
I don't think circus is.
No one does birds.
My dad, he's not a good person, but I can't leave him.
You could be an acrobat.
A tightrope walker.
A lion tamer.
Human cannibal.
A great magician.
I don't know.
You must help us find the train.
The circus train.
We're a little lost right now.
But we'll find our way.
Randy, get your butt in here, boy! I'm not playing!
Hey, do you know why we're here?
no.
Do you think we're in trouble?
No, I don't think so.
Are we in trouble?
Oh, heavens no.
Well, why are we here?
Well, you remember the field trip to Kimball, right? I'd really like to choose you to be there.
Art's important. Museums are important. I don't know if you think that or not. Well, like I said, I'd really like you two to be there. You two are the only ones who have train permission slip. I don't want this to be a money issue. So if 350 is a problem, I want you to know I have you covered. I just really need those permissions from the current city.
Well, it's just my dad at work. I really don't chance to talk to him about it.
Well, I can call him if you like.
No. That's okay. I'll see you tonight. I'll talk to you later.
Sir, should I call your mom? No, I'll bring the slip and the 350. Can I go now? Sure. Sure you can. Thanks. Hey, Sarah? Yeah? Is everything all right?
Hey, wait up.
What does everyone want with me today?
Do I know you?
No, I don't think so.
We met for another time, another school.
Couldn't happen that long ago. What are you, like 12?
I'm 13. I'm just short for my age.
Hey, I'm sorry. I didn't mean anything by that. That was stupid. I'm sorry.
I better go.
Hey, kid.
Brandon.
Brandon. I'm sorry. I haven't been myself lately.
Are you gonna go to Triton's class?
I don't know. My mom, she's been sick, so I don't want to bother her with it.
Yeah, my dad's been sick too. Hey, wait. Why don't we sign each other's? That way, if they compare handwritings, they won't match up.
Oh, okay.
You have something to write with? Okay, so how do you spell your mom's name?
Gloria Sorrento. Gloriasarentino.
Okay. And my dad's name, John Most. D-O-N.
I can spell it. All right, here.
Cool. Guess we're going.
I guess so.
Friendship, trust, a moment born of concern, of worry, a sameness beat in both their hearts, each sensing the power of the other's secret, each sensing the life-affirming power of the new friend. It was late that night. Bobby and Sarah were sleeping restlessly. It was as if something was calling them out into the night. Sweet destiny, perhaps. Perhaps something inevitable. Bobby left his house on Willing Street. Down a block to Rosemont Park, came to rest on a bench. Sarah left from her house through a window on Danville Street, through the church parking lot, through the middle school fields, and came to rest on the same bench. And then they both woke up.
I was drinking, but I haven't opened my eyes yet because I know where I am. I know I'm at the park because I drink. I saw it. Sarah, I know you're right. You're next to me. Okay, whoa, easy.
I'm so scared. I don't know where I am.
We'll figure this out together.
I hear other people's voices in my head. I can't block them out. It's getting worse. Sometimes I'll be sleeping and I'll wake up and I'll be in somebody else's head. Kids at school, teachers, people I hate, people I meet at the store. I'll know their whole lives like it's nothing. I'm such a freak, a monster.
No, Sarah. You can't think like that. It's a gift. A gift you have to learn to control.
No, don't you see? My mind's not like yours.
All right, let's just sit down and think about this. It's weird. You watch that show, That's Incredible?
What's that?
A show on TV.
I don't watch television.
Why not?
It gives me headaches.
Well, it's this amazing show, and it shows all these miraculous and mysterious things. All these amazing things that happen to people all over the world. It shows how these humans gain superhuman strength, and they can bend spoons with their minds, or they can lift cars off of little kids. They call that telekinesis. Telekinetic abilities. They had a woman on the show the other day, and she was able to bend spoons with her mind, steal people, and lift cars. She said before she was able to control her gift, she was also going crazy.
How do I do that? Learn to control it, to shut it off.
I don't think you ever get to shut it off, but you can learn about it. I was reading this book, How to Control Your ESP. It helped me out a lot. I ordered other books from the downtown library, and they should be here soon. Maybe you should check it out.
I just want to know what I am.
Evolution. Humans change, mutate. Someday, everyone will have powers like yours. Well, it's just, maybe you're one of the first.
Wow, so you're saying I'm like some kind of prototype?
In a way, I'm saying, don't worry about it. Just don't.
Why do you want to help me? No, why? Tell me.
I feel like I've known you for a really long time. Like, we've connected in a way. Long before life, there's always been you, and there's always been me. And they've always been like this. I felt what you felt. That fear, that overwhelmingness. When it crept up on you, it also chilled me to the freaking bone.
You're so calm about all this. To me, it's as if an alien ship landed in my backyard.
It's the unknown. We can't fear it, we can only learn about it.
How?
Come here, listen.
What?
Listen.
Two?
Listen to my soul. Come on, come on. How about you tell me what you see?
I can see your life. It's so colorful, just flashes of your life. A dog with a blue bandana. A woman chewing sugar cane, smoking a cigarette. A trip to San Antonio. I've never been there, but I know that's where it is. Watching Shooting Stars with Al, sneaking into the Warriors and Jaws. And your mom, and man, you just did not want to go to church that day. Oh my God! She was never mad at you, you know? Your mother, she was glad you didn't go. Glad all of you didn't go. Glad you were scared.
You weren't there.
No, that's not how it was supposed to happen.
And what happened to her? That was supposed to happen?
Bobby, calm down.
Me and my stupid dad. Such lazy, selfish. You should have been there.
No, that's not how it's supposed to happen.
You weren't there. She wanted us to all go back to church that day. Like we used to when we were up there. We had started planning to go back. On that day, Dad didn't want to get up. So I didn't want to get up. Who needs y'all? She said. We went by herself. All alone. She didn't make it 2 blocks before she was killed. The beer truck. Plowed straight into her head on. All alone. By herself.
Bobby, calm down.
We weren't there.
Bobby, it's okay.
We weren't there.
Petey, calm down.
Oh,
It's okay.
no. What did you just call me?
Petey?
That's what she called me. Short for Peter Gunn. You know.
Yeah, she just told me. An old detective show from the 50s. Peter Gunn, her nickname for you.
She told you that?
Yeah.
What else?
That she was never mad at you. Never. That she wants you to take care of the kids you love. And Al and Ramona, your dad and yourself. But you're a hot dad. Just like your mom.
Not that bad anymore.
I know. I know.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, Peter Gunn.
there with Adrian Barbeau or someone equally as toxic. Go away.
Come on, man, get up. This is about Bobby, man. It's about Bobby.
One sec. Just recovering from a crazy George Romero trip.
It's that chick, man. His new friend Sarah.
She seems cool.
Listen, man, it's what I'm trying to tell you. She's a witch of some kind. That devil house that is trying to control Bobby, that's her house. And that Elvira lady, that's her mom.
Why do you have to always be picking on people, Mama?
I know I'm always picking on people, but this isn't that. She's gonna take Bobby's soul. Something's gonna happen. We can't let this happen.
Look, Ramona, sit down. Come here. Look, no one wants Bobby's soul. I mean, look at that thing. Look, he's our brother. Nothing's gonna happen to my brother on my watch, okay?
Yeah.
Now we good?
Yeah.
Want some milk and Pepsi?
Heck no.
Well, I do. Now, you keep these blankies of mine warm while I go get some refreshments.
Whatever.
Yeah, so what's up, man? Not for me.
Never did. Never wanted that.
We're here to help. Make us smile.
After all, we are clowns.
Sometimes people don't know what's best for them.
Sometimes, people just don't know what's best to let go.
There's a reason why we do the things that we do.
There's a reason we have these abilities.
Some of us are thieves. Opportunists.
Some of us try to do more with our gifts.
Some of us steal souls.
Some of us try to save them.
We're vagabonds. Very simple.
October 11th, 1979. A day that will forever scar the heart of Phantom City. The day that Al Sierra got a letter that would change his life forever.
To the parents of Al Sierra, it has come to our attention that your son is not, or your son is a resident of the Dallas Courtyard, and therefore is not eligible to be a part of the Fort Worth Independent School District. I live in Dallas. My dad lives in Dallas. You see what you did to me?
Who?
Your friend, Sarah.
What did she do to you?
Look at it. Ramona's right. Ever since your friend Sarah moved in here, bad things.
Wait, you getting transferred to a school in Dallas?
Yeah. Like I said, bad clouds all over Panther City.
What?
It's Oaks and Ramona, man. Are you blind? Open your eyes. I'm getting sent to Dallas. Jesse Contreras got sent to Juvie last week. And of all people, Vicky stopped going out with me when you started seeing Oscar Sanchez. So what if he's a star football player?
This has nothing to do with Sarah.
What do you mean?
Let me tell you your actual story, the one that you just told me. Let me tell you. You're getting sent to Dallas because your folks decided not to even communicate with the school board about your little courtyard situation, whatever that is. And Jimmy Contreras is getting sent to juvie because he got in the car with a stranger. And sorry to break your heart, but I'm going to anyways because you just pissed me off. You and Vicky were never a couple to begin.
I thought we
with.
were friends.
We are.
Not anymore.
Oh, okay. Well, have it your way.
No,
That's
wait,
fine with me.
Bob.
Whatever. Goodbye.
I don't want to go to Dallas. Dallas sucks.
Try to give one little thought to me, though someone else may be nearer to your heart. Will you dream of the moments I shared with you before we drifted apart once in a while? In love's smoldering embers, one spark may remain. If love still can remember, the spark may burn again. Oh, I know that I'll be contented with yesterday's memory. Oh, knowing you think of me.
Hey, Joe. Are you kids okay?
Hey, everything all right?
I'm the janitor here, and I found these kids passed out. School's about to start, and
Officer, I would like to report a witch.
Come again?
A witch.
Ramona, lay off.
No, man. She's gonna bring our town down. Don't you see that?
Calm down, young lady.
Don't you tell me to calm down. My job is KIA Sergeant Lopez deceased. That means you respect me.
Not necessarily. Now I'm at the place you under arrest.
That's not necessary, officer.
What's your handle, rookie?
I'm Officer Sean Burke.
Officer, if you'll excuse me, I have to get the school ready.
Hold on. Nobody's leaving.
Calm down, young lady.
Look, in about 30 minutes, and about 200 kids want to get inside the school. I have things to do.
What's your name, sir?
Nick Odom.
Sarah, are you okay? What's going on?
I'm taking her to her house. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to call a female officer. Officer Jerry. She'll take you home from here.
No, I can't go home. Sarah, listen, okay? It's gonna be all right. Mr. Odom's gonna open up the school, and this officer's gonna calm down. And we're gonna carry on with our day as the rest of the time.
I'm gonna have to take her to her parent or legal guardian.
No!
Back off the cop.
Come here, young lady.
Hey,
Sarah,
you can't do that.
Sarah, everyone leave me alone!
What was that?
Is everyone all right?
It's her! That's what I've been trying to tell you. She's something that can bring our town down.
Leave me alone, Ramona! Stop saying those things!
Oh, what are you gonna do?
Lay off her, Peanut.
Peanut. Dad?
Yes, Peanut? It's me.
I'm all around you. Always have been.
Always will.
Dad, I miss you.
I'm here, Peanut.
You know that now.
I always will.
Be easy, Peanut.
Be easy.
Bye-bye, darling.
Bye, Dad.
What just happened?
Is everyone all right?
I feel good. Like I,
Was kissed by God.
yeah, something like that.
Can I walk you to class?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Dream of the moments I shared with you before we drifted apart once in a while.
in church or anything? Deposit the cash for you if you like.